what do we have going on here? Looks to me the beginnings of a taco night. You can see we're starting to do some onions here. We got Chef Kwame on board here, and we'll be working on making the best tacos that we can make with what we have in our kitchen. So stay tuned. Adding in our beef, which we don't use just the regular ground beef you get at the store. No. You have to find yourself a roast and have them grind it for you, not once, not twice, but 3 times to get the best consistency and the best flavor. Trust me, this is way better than buying ground chuck, ground beef, or ground anything that's already ground. So choose a steak, grind it, and you'll have better tacos. So we have our stove on medium high here, and we're going to be just browning it. Yeah. We're going to add in the some peppers here, or some spice. What do we got in here, Junior?
We got, how do you call it, red chili pepper and some chipotle pepper.
Okay.
So if you want to give that
Chipotle, red chili pepper, some mikosam, is that what it is, really?
We wanted cumin, but we don't have
cumin. Oh, no
so.
Cumin. Okay, we got some of the chipotle, and in here we have our Taco Bell. Comes with the shells here. So it's still good. And then over here we're going to have with our tacos some freshly diced onions and tomatoes.
Yeah, we're going to add some, how do you call it?
And, oh yeah, we're definitely going to shred some cheese.
Some cheese and some jalapenos.
Cheese and jalapenos.
We don't have cilantro, but we're going to get that.
Yeah, no cilantro this time, but hey, we're working with what we have.
Yeah. Trying to clean our fridge.
Cleaning out the fridge, that's right. We don't want to go buy stuff, so we're going to clean out what we have. Alright, first things first, our mikosam and chipotle, as we were getting the beef going here. Then our Taco Bell seasoning. Oh yeah, and to help dissolve this all in, we got 3/4 cup of water. So let's get that right in there. So this is also going to help the meat cook. Just got to let the heat get back up, and we'll be good.
Minute. Last timer.
Yep. Got timer in. So letting it get back up to right temperature here. Let that spice cook in, and we'll get our shells started while we're waiting here. All right. While we got the meat cooking, we're dicing up some jalapeno to go in with our salsa because we like it spicy. Meanwhile, 5 minutes is up on our meat. We got it simmering on medium to low heat. That's about a 4 on our stove. We're going to let it go for maybe 5 more minutes just because we want to make sure all that seasoning gets nice and cooked in there, and we get rid of some of this water. Our oven on 300 preheated there, so in go the shells. And those are going to be in for only 3 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we got the meat good to go here, so we're going to turn that off, or keep it on low rather. And then we're going to shred some cheese, and we'll be ready to eat some tacos, man. Alright, stay tuned. And this is the finished product. We have our freshly baked shells, we got some freshly shredded cheese, we have our salsa, a little bit of lime or lemon juice if you prefer on top. We have our Cholula, our sour cream, and our beef with beverages. Good job, Junior.